Yeah. Indumati, can you read what is document splitting?
Document splitting purpose automatically splits accounting entries by dimensions such as profit center, segment, business area. Example, expenses 10,000 allocated as profit center A 6,000, center B 4,000. SAP automatically creates split entries.
Okay.
Can I
Okay.
continue?
Okay. Wait, Indumati. You have a kid. That's fine. Why needed for segment reporting and profit center reporting? Okay. Simple words. Okay. This is a bit explanation. थोड़ा सा complicated है. I'll explain in very simple words. Okay. We'll go here. Let's say you are buying something from plant 1 for 1000 rupees and you're buying something from plant 2 for 500 rupees. What is the total?
1,500.
Correct.
15.
1500 is the total. But now there is a 10% tax. There is a 10% tax. How will you divide the tax between plant 1 and plant 2? How to divide that tax? So
Sir, in,
tax on 1000 will be 100, yes, which is 10%, and tax on 500 will be 50, which is 10%. Yes or no? Total is 150. Yes,
yes.
total will be 1650. So document splitting helps in splitting the tax or splitting it to the proper account. Yes, that is what it does. Yes. So automatically splits accounting entry. Getting it? It automatically splits the accounting entry. Yes or no? And document splitting is very important for us. Without that, we cannot go ahead. Clear, everyone? Okay. How to do document splitting? We'll go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions. Wait. General ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting, classify GL accounts for document splitting. Chart of account is INT8, enter. Yes, new entries will do. And so we have to enter all the accounts. What does our account start from? It starts from 1 lakh. Yes or no? Ends at
Yes.
ends at what? What does our account end in?
1999.
No, that is just assets. I'm talking about everything. Yeah. So it ends with, anybody remembers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It ends with 69999. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So that all accounts are there. But you can put in 99999 also. Like that also you can put in. Yes. And we have to select the
Yes.
category here. Let's go. We'll select this one, balance sheet, press enter, and then save. Clear? Document splitting clear. Why is it used? Why is it necessary? Yes or no?